please not drop anything or leave any litter in wilayat or the moment area. Assalamu alaikum to all the Zaydeen, the Zawad of Sayyid al-Shuhada, Imam Hussain gathered here in central London. Welcome to the 43rd annual Arbaeen procession of Imam Hussain organised by the Hussaini Islamic Trust UK. This trust founded the very first Muslim procession of Europe in central London on the 18th of December 1982. We are gathered here today to mourn the most important day of humanity, which took place 1,342 years ago. Allah, who spent a year in captivity in the most torturous conditions, were released from prison in Damascus and arrived back in Karbala, Iraq, to finally mourn their death. On Arbaeen, the 20th of Safar, this holy head was reunited and buried with Imam Hussein's body in Karbala. Zawar, Mu'mineen, azadari, people gathered in Karbala last Wednesday on the 6th of September to mourn for Imam Hussain and his companions on the day of Arbaeen. The very first public mourning procession of Imam Hussain recorded in history books, which took place outside of Karbala, were on the streets of Baghdad in 962 AD. This day is commemorated in every corner of the world, not just by Muslims, but mankind. A special thank you to the 3 Arbaeen walks, the morning walks, replicating the famous Najaf to Karbala walk, Mishi, and the world's largest annual gathering in Iraq. These 3 groups which this morning walked from their town, from their mosque, Imam Bargas, Shodai Karbala in Barking, Idara Jafariya in Tooting, and Mu'mineen from Romford Road. It's truly amazing that their passion and their dedication. Proceedings with speeches, and our first speech will be by Sister Dr. Rebecca Masterton.